Hello everybody, welcome back to another video, and today we have a system test that is all at night. I'm in my backyard. I have this tree house here, and we have the Wheelock RSS8, we have the Wheelock Exceeder HSR, Simplex 20, oh no, I'll show you that later. The Gentex over here, the Gentex, Simplex Gentex something, but I don't know its name anymore because it's too long and stupid. But, that thing wasn't working. That thing isn't working, right? So, and then we have the Wheelock RSS strobe. And yeah, I'll show you that this thing isn't working. So this one is working, and this one is working. But this one, nothing is coming out of that one. So, let's try something. So, we have these. We are actually just gonna, oh no. Sorry about that, but, we're just gonna test which wires go to which, because I don't know. So, let's do this. This one goes to that one, and this one goes to that one, and this one go to this one. This is so hard to do. Anyway, they don't work. Hold on. Okay, guys. Finally, it's back. I swear. 30-something minutes. This has been so annoying. Well, let's see if it works. Wired it wrong. Swear to God. Okay. It is finally working. So, as you can see, everything is here. Yeah, I finally wired that thing correctly. So now we're gonna pull it, and just, this took about an hour to do, like, all of that, like, actually maybe 40 minutes, so yeah. The strobe isn't going off for some reason. That's very weird. Alright guys, we're gonna see how loud it is from my house. Alright guys, here. Can't see it in the camera. Thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.